Teruhisa Kondo, the founder of our company, established Kondo carbon industry in 1941 and started the manufacture of carbon brushes. In 1949, it was renamed to the present Toyo Tanso Co., Limited. In 1974, our company had a big turning point. We succeeded as the first in the world for mass production of large-size isotropic graphite. Furthermore, in 1985, we built the Takuma plant, which is now our main factory. We expanded our sales and manufacturing bases to North America in 1986, then to Europe in 1988, and to China in 1994. In 2006, the company was listed on the first section of the Tokyo Stock Exchange. Then in 2010, the third factory at Takuma plant was established.